Success begins the moment you decide to play with power. Alam mo ba na ang tagumpay ay hindi lang nasusukat sa pera? Ang tunay na tagumpay ay ang ikaw, ang may kakayahang pumili at kalayaan sa pagdesisyon. Anumang oras, saan ka man naroon. Ang tunay na tagumpay ay inyong nakapagbibigay ng pakiramdam na you did it. Ito ay ang pakiramdam na tinatawag natin sa opportunity. Iyan ang natutunan ko sa convention namin ng Isago na dahil sa global movement on mindset shifted, we were surrounded with the people who share their stories. Alam mo ba that your brain is the most powerful asset that only you have a total control? And when it is well trained, almost everything you want to do. Ikaw ay natagumpay kung ikaw ay may kakayahan na makamit ang pakiramdam ng kalayaan at kapangyarihang gawin. Kayo ang itan mo sa ikaw. Ikaw ay ikaw ay sapat. Nasa iyo na ang mga kailangan mo para you are enough. Everything you want to do is for you to do. Success begins the moment you realize you are enough. I am here and I used to doubt my ability just like you until I played self-empowerment. I am now a former caregiver, former housekeeper, and a former mental health worker. I am now an online digital business owner. I am mentoring you for self-empowerment. So, if you want to learn more, comment yes and I'll connect with you.